How to fix you can't make this change at the moment Facebook two-factor authentication problem. So if you're facing a problem with Facebook two-factor authentication, then just follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with the account center. And before proceeding, make sure to connect or link your Facebook and Instagram together. So go with profiles and go with add accounts, and then you can add your Facebook account to your Instagram account. And once you've added two profiles, now you just need to simply go back, and here you just need to simply go with personal details. Under personal details, you will have your email and your mobile number, right? So you can simply go with the email, and you can delete email for both Facebook and Instagram. If you're not being able to fix your problem, then you can simply go and delete your email. Once you've deleted your email, then your problem will be fixed. Or you can go with the mobile number. If you don't have access to the mobile number which you've set, then you can go with delete number, and you can delete your mobile number. Or if you want to make any changes, then you can go with password and security, go with two-factor authentication, and choose the Facebook or Instagram. So in this case, I'll be choosing Facebook, and you need to re-enter your password sometimes. So re-enter your password and then tap on continue. Once you enter your password, now here you will have authentication app. Tap on it and toggle on or toggle off the option, and toggle on or toggle off the option from here. So that's how you can make this change on your Facebook two-factor authentication problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.